Many of us have read or seen disturbing news. Korean lover game suicide happened in Ghaziabad, and Indore have highlighted tragic incidents involving children and excessive mobile gaming or digital challenges. Some stories make headlines, many others never do. These incidents are not just about games. The real question is, what is happening inside a young mind that leads to such extreme emotional decisions? To understand this, we need to look beyond the screen and look inside the brain. Every time a player wins a level or unlocks a reward, the brain releases dopamine, the chemical that creates pleasure and motivation. Games are designed with unpredictable rewards, so the brain keeps chasing the next win. Over time, real-life achievements begin to feel slow or less exciting compared to instant digital rewards. In children and teenagers, the decision-making area of the brain is still developing. Long hours of continuous gaming can weaken impulse control, making it harder to stop even when they know they should. High-intensity digital environments keep emotions constantly stimulated. This can lead to irritability, mood swings, or emotional numbness in everyday life. Before extreme outcomes happen, there are often early warning signs. The good news: the young brain can recover. Simple habits make a big difference. Create no-phone zones at home. Set screen time limits. Encourage sports and hobbies. Talk calmly instead of scolding. And spend quality offline time together. Also, government help is available. In India, Childline 1098 offers free support for children in distress. National and state mental health services, school counselors, and telecounseling programs are confidential and accessible. Reaching out early can change outcomes. For parents and guardians, create no-phone zones, bedroom, dining table. Set consistent screen time limits. Encourage sports, arts, and outdoor play. Talk calmly instead of scolding. Seek professional counseling if behavior becomes extreme. For young viewers, take regular screen breaks. Maintain sleep routines. Balance games with real-world activities. Talk to someone if feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Technology is a powerful tool. The goal is not to fear it, but to guide it. Awareness today can protect a child's tomorrow. Stay involved. Stay connected. And remember, real life should always be stronger than the screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video with friends and family.